This video documents a concrete porch's preparation, patching, and coating. The concrete's current condition is one that's partially covered by old adhesive and floor paint. Beside this, there is also some old patching materials. A closer look reveals cracked areas that will need removal. It doesn't take much to loosen and remove the broken concrete. A hammer is enough to encourage the cracked areas to fully spall. It's important to remove all the concrete that's weak because future thermal expansion and contraction will not be mitigated by the new coating system. In other words, any new coating used to encapsulate the slab will not hold together the compromised surface. This is why the time is taken here to remove all cracked or loose areas. For the random surface cracks, a diamond blade is used to remove the loose and broken edges. This process leaves a sound bonding surface and profiles as it does the work. Inspecting the surface after all excavation work, it becomes obvious that the voids vary by size, length, and depth. What's left is a slab that's still covered by old adhesive and floor paint. To remove this, a diamond grinder is used to clean the surface. The machine is run with a vacuum to minimize dust emissions. The aim is to remove enough of the surface contamination to reveal the original slab. Once the grinding is complete, a shot blaster is used to clean and profile the voids. This is important because the patching material that will be used requires a clean surface. Also blasted is the concrete that was not cracked. It's done here to clean where the grinder could not. The patching process starts with the mixing of the floor patch. This is a urethane-based product appropriate for interior or exterior applications. It's mixed by drill and ready for immediate use. The resin is poured to the extent necessary to fill the voids. Added to the wet patch is additional aggregate to act as a filler. The pouring continues until all voids are filled. Being careful to verify enough of the patch has been used, a trowel smooths the overfill. Once the patch is cured, in this case overnight, surface smoothing is required. The grinding does this by removing the patch overfill. The same machine that removed the adhesive and paint removes this excess patch. Once finished, the area is pressure washed to remove all preparation dust. This process opens the concrete and improves its absorbency. Beside the other surface defects this slab contained, its step side had a few voids that needed patching. A tape dam is made to form the vertical edge. Being used is a fast-set urethane that works great for spot patching. Once cured, in this case 45 minutes, the tape is removed. A sander is used to remove the excess and match the edge's shape. From this point, the slab is treated like any other completely prepared concrete. A skim coat of epoxy is used to act as a primer. Following this is the colored adhesive coat. Next is the broadcasted decorative vinyl flake. Once cured, the slab is fully covered and made uniform by the decorative flake. Finishing the floor is a protective polyaspartic top coat. And that's about it. Concrete porch preparation, patching, and coating.